Breaking news! Ombudsman Boying Remulla mariing itinanggi na siya ay nasa kontrol ni PBBM. Mariing itinanggi ni Ombudsman Jesus Crispin Boying Remulla na siya ay nasa kontrol ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr., kahit pa ito ang nagtalaga sa kanya sa pwesto. Sa isang panayam, nilinaw ni Remulla na ang Office of the Ombudsman ay isang independent constitutional body, at walang sinuman, kahit ang Malacanang, ang maaaring magdikta o makialam sa kanyang mga desisyon. Ayon kay Ombudsman Boying, "Yes, the President appointed me. But that does not mean he controls me. He has no control over the Ombudsman, and every decision make is based solely on evidence and the law, not on politics." Dagdag pa niya, hindi raw gagamitin ang Ombudsman bilang kasangkapan ng sinumang nasa kapangyarihan, at patuloy itong kikilos bilang tagapagtanggol ng bayan laban sa katiwalian, batay sa batas at ebidensya, hindi sa impluwensya ng politika.
I took this job because I really want to do something for the country. And I will live and die with that.
2 months ka pa lang, by 2026, what is the dream accomplishment of the Office of the Ombudsman?
Some convictions in 2026.
Conviction.
Yes. At least Sandigan Bayan level. And I would say that dapat wala nang bailable. Basta na-convict, wala nang bailable. Kahit na sabihin natin hindi life imprisonment ang sentensya. Pag na-convict ka sa graft, dapat kulong muna.
After President Marcos Jr.'s term, you can investigate him for what he's done as president. That's covered by the office.
Where the evidence takes us. Anong gagawa ko eh? Yan ang evidence eh. Wala naman sikreto sa ebidensya eh. Pag may ebidensya,
Oo.
sa
Parang
madadalhin
mas
lang.
matindi ba to kesa sa kung justice ang trabaho? Because you told me you never dreamt of becoming a Supreme Court justice.
Never.
Is
Never.
this harder?
I think so.
Exactly.
More
Why?
difficult, yeah.
Why?
Kasi ang justice may refuge sila eh. And tsaka collegial ang court. Eh dito hindi. You're on top of the heap and you have to do your job. That's it. Nobody else but yourself. It's a very lonely job if you think about it.
At kung kayo naman ang tatanungin mga kababayan, ano kaya ang inyong reaksyon at komento sa balitang ito? Please comment down below at huwag na rin kalimutang i-like at share ang ating video.
Thank you for watching.